Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to see your job notifications on LinkedIn using a PC, following the latest update. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for job seekers, and staying on top of new opportunities is crucial. With this new update, accessing your job notifications is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to LinkedIn's website, which is linkedin.com. Once the page is fully loaded, make sure you are logged into your account with your username and password. Now that you're on your LinkedIn homepage, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find several icons, each representing different sections of LinkedIn. Look for the notifications icon. It's usually represented by a bell symbol. This is where all your notifications from LinkedIn appear, keeping you informed about various activities related to your profile, network, and of course, job opportunities. Click on the notifications icon to open your notifications panel. Once the notifications panel is open, you will see a list of different notifications. To specifically view job-related notifications, you need to filter them out from the rest. Within the notifications panel, look for a specific category or filter labeled Jobs. This section is dedicated to job-related alerts, such as new job postings that match your saved preferences, updates on your applications, and messages from recruiters. Click on Jobs to view all your job notifications. Here, you'll find a curated list of job alerts tailored to your interests and criteria. You can see new job postings that match your skills, experience, and desired locations. You might also see updates about your applications, such as when an employer views your profile or sends you a message. Take some time to review each notification carefully. If you see a job posting that interests you, click on it to view the full details. You can learn more about the company, the job responsibilities, and the qualifications they are seeking. If you think you're a good fit, don't hesitate to apply directly through LinkedIn. Also, keep your job preferences updated to ensure you receive the most relevant notifications. To manage your job alert preferences, go to the Jobs section on LinkedIn and click on Job Alerts. Here, you can customize your alerts based on job titles, locations, industries, and more. You can choose how often you want to receive alerts, daily or weekly, and whether you want to receive them via email, in-app notifications, or both. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your job notifications on LinkedIn using the new update. Staying proactive in your job search is essential, and with these tips, you'll be well equipped to discover and seize new opportunities. Good luck with your job search.